Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Sublime Text Editor on Kali Linux 2024. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, first verify whether we have any pre-installed Sublime Text Editor. See, you don't have anything. So open Firefox or any web browser. Go to sublimetext.com. This is the official website. Now click on download. Then see here, Sublime Text 4 is the current version. So we are installing it. Okay. So click on Linux repos. Then we have to click on apt. apt is for Ubuntu, Debian, Kali or Parrot OS type operating system. So click on apt or you can execute these commands. So click on apt. So first we are going to install GPG key. Then we are going to install the stable version. Then we are going to update packages and we are going to install the Sublime Text. So these are the 4 commands that needs to be installed to install the Sublime Text on Kali Linux. Copy this one, go to terminal, paste it, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. It is done. Now see here we have 2 versions, stable and development. So we are going to install the stable version. Copy this one for stable one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L. Now install the Sublime Text Editor. Sudo get install Sublime -text. Hit enter. This typo. Hit enter. See, it is downloading 15 megabytes. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, then search for Sublime. See here we have the Sublime Text Editor. Click on it. See here we have the Sublime Text Editor. See, we have successfully installed. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Sublime Text Editor on Kali Linux 2024. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.